I'm going to get into like what actually makes this useful. Like what actually makes this Jarvis. And really, I had to just get in here and use it myself. So, number one, voice has access to all other chats, okay? But it's isolated in its own chat. So, check this out. If we go back to our chats, our sidebar right here, we see two different chats right here that have these voice icons. You guys might have to, like, zoom in a little bit, but they have these voice icons, and that will show that this is a voice chat, meaning this is a chat in which your voice agent is answering you and you are talking to your voice agent. That does not mean that's where your voice agent is necessarily getting work or responses from other agents from. Okay? So I have this chat right here, but let's go to this one. So I said, hey chat, I have a tab open in my browser for Midtown Floors and Construction Corporation. I need to reimagine their website. Can you look at their website and create a new image of what the new website can look like using the image gen skill? So that was something that I was able to do working on another computer. And I just wanted to, get something done from another phase of work that I need to get done. And so I then wanted a prompt to build that out, and it actually gave me this prompt. So I said, all right, I have a thread. And when I say thread, this is just a chat over here, okay? And I'll show you guys the thread. But basically, I said I have a thread that is actually open inside of projects under fully managed prospects. So this is the project name, fully managed website prospects. And I have a chat inside of there that's been working on this website. Can you send this prompt to it? So that same prompt that it gave me, I wanted it to send to it. It said, let me check that. I'll find the task first. And then it worked. It found the task and sent the full prompt plus the reference image path. So it's working off the existing site work. All right. So now let's go over to the actual chat that I have. And one cool feature that if you don't know, if you press this bell icon, the notifications icon, you can basically get your chats in priority mode very, very quickly. And you can take it out of priority mode very, very quickly. I find myself needing to see recent chats sometimes, but sometimes I want to go back to older projects. So this is a very, very cool thing. But we have this right here. This chat right here is sent by ChatGPT from another task. Okay, if we click this, then it'll go back to the other chat that we had it in. Okay, so we have both of these right here. I did not send this. I did not send this message. ChatGPT voice sent this message. Okay, and it got this whole entire thing, the website. It gave it the goal. It gave it the design direction, the information, the everything. It basically orchestrated it. And this codex that's on 5.6 Sol extra high was able to go ahead and build it out. That is Jarvis. That is what all of this is about. The fact that I can have this window down, I can have this window up, and I can go inside of it and say, I want you to go inside of the TVA 2026 project, and I want you to start a new chat and tell it to create a social media post promoting graphic design.
Got it. I'll take that.
So if we click on chat, we can enter inside of the actual talking chat, and guess what you guys just saw?
Created the new graphic design social post task in TVA-2026
Okay,
and set
so
it to draft only for review.
And then it sets up a goal for itself to verify every codex thread, turn initiated or steer whatever, reaches a terminal state, completed or blocked, or reports its outcome. So it basically created a goal for itself to watch the other threads, okay, or the thread that it created. So it created this thread inside of the correct folder for me, and that was very, very quickly. Let's check out the prompt that it gave it. Okay, so it said creator polish, review ready, social media posts promoting the views agencies, graphic design services, work within the project context, produce the post copies, blah, blah, blah. When you finish, become blocked or need a user decision, send a concise report back to this coordinator thread. Okay, so that's the official name for it. It's a coordinator thread that is a voice
I
thread.
checked
Okay.
recent creative and it's now shaping a distinct outcome-led angle, so it doesn't repeat themes.
And Jarvis, my bad, not Jarvis. And GPT voice just gave me an update while that thread is working. Okay. So the coordinator thread is the voice agent thread, and it's able to talk to all these other threads. And watch, I'm going to tell it to send a bunch of threads out really, really quickly. But it said it to use send message to thread. So all of these threads can kind of talk to each other if you didn't know that inside of ChatGPT. And we have this right here. So, let's say we go to GPT Atlas and, we're online. Hold on. Let me drag this over here. All right. We're online. And let's say we go to GitHub and we go to Supertonic. Okay. So let's
The
say,
draft, post, and visual direction are complete in a TVA task, and it's double-checking the review boundary now.
okay. So that's another update for us. And you guys can see how cool this is. Like, I have not typed in anything. I have not typed in any words, but I've been able to, get something done. And so,
It's done. The TVA task produced a review-ready graphic design services post with a distinct make your value visible angle and monochrome 4x5 visual direction. Nothing's been published or scheduled.
So I don't see the actual post. Let me see. Could not open file. Let me go like this. Go pinned. Go design social post. All right, so here's the post draft. Okay, and I'm gonna say, okay, you can tell it to create the actual image using the image gen skill.
Okay, I'll take that forward.
So bam, we just told it that, and now you guys see that pop up inside of this
The
chat.
TVA task has been told to generate and visually review the 4x5 image.
See, this is the future of work, and this is why you should have been building your agents this entire time. If you have not been utilizing AI agents, if you are one of the people that only goes into ChatGPT asking it what you should eat today, you are not making the full use of AI. Okay, especially if you're paying for a plus or a pro plan, you need to be building out operating systems, because once you have an operating system, all you have to do is put a voice agent or an orchestrator on top of it, and they can control it. All of these operating systems that I've been creating inside of Codex, inside of these different folders, it can now be controlled by this one voice agent. And it's very, very cool that we're at this point, because if I'm being honest, when they first came out with voice,
the image direction is locked, 3-line headline, restrained TVA footer, message stays dominant.
Okay. I wasn't so sure that it would get to this point, especially not this quickly. And now I kind of have a different perspective towards the product design and the product life cycle that these companies are going to have. Like, they're not going to, and it's the same way with every product. You are going to put out the MVP product, MVP, minimum viable product, and then you are going to iterate to make it better. So that is what you guys can expect from this. So all of this that's gone inside of Jarvis or ChatGPT voice, it's the model advancements that they've been making. It's the harness that they've had, and look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a great post. This is a great post. Like, it's an
The
abstract
generated
visual.
candidate passed visual review, and TVA is preparing the final review file now.
Yeah. So, man, it you can literally have this on one computer and then be on another computer and just say, okay, can you give me an update for that? Go type on the other computer. Oh, that's the update. Okay. All right. Can you make it do this, that, and the third? Okay. Okay. And you can just play it like that. Like, this is super, super powerful. I hope you guys are running 3 different projects. All were started with voice mode. I did not type in anything. Okay, I have not typed in a single letter on my keyboard. I've been clicking, okay, clicking through different chats, but now it is actually going to look at all of those chats and come back to me with what it is. So yes, ChatGPT voice is Jarvis. We got everything right here. We see everything is working. I am so happy that this is here, bro. Because think about it. GPT-6 voice mode. I think that's going to literally break the game. I'm going to be honest. I think that's going to break the game. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about this. Like if this video was useful for you. I mean, really going in here and experimenting with it myself. I wanted to gather my thoughts and just bring you guys a quick video on this. So let me know if you learned anything. But join the Educate AI Lab. Okay, let me switch the screen real quick. Join the Educate AI Lab. We also have streams pretty frequently. So a couple of different things that I'm building going, but also I'm in the chat talking to you guys, asking what you're building. We're talking about different stuff. Maybe we'll watch a few videos, but definitely turn on post notifications so that you do catch a stream. And yeah, man, this has been D'Lo Brands. I will catch you guys in the next video.